Hello everyone, and welcome to Slow Spoken English.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Richard. Today, we're at Mrs. Chen's cafe, comparing two apartments Diana could rent.
I liked the apartment we viewed, but I need to check the costs and application requirements before deciding.
We'll discuss the bond, utilities, lease length, references, pets and repairs.
During the conversation, we'll ask you 10 comprehension questions to help you with your listening practice.
So listen carefully for the prices, dates, and differences between the apartments.
And as always, if you find yourself listening to our podcasts regularly, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly, slow, natural conversations?
Mrs. Chen has brought the coffee, so let's begin.
Here's the listing for the first apartment.
The bright one with the balcony?
Yes, the rent is $520 a week.
And it's 15 minutes from your office by bus.
Correct. But the rent is only part of the cost.
Your accounting voice has arrived.
It never really leaves.
What else do you need to pay?
A bond equal to 4 weeks' rent and 2 weeks' rent in advance.
That's a lot of money at the beginning.
The bond alone is $2,080.
Comprehension question 1. How much is the bond for the first apartment?
The bond is $2,080.
You should receive it back when you leave, provided there's no damage.
Yes, but I still need the money up front now.
What about utilities?
Water is included, but electricity and internet are not.
Mrs. Chen said the apartment stays warm because it gets afternoon sun.
I knew you'd approve of the natural light.
Natural light is important.
For you or your indoor plants?
Both. Plants have needs.
Your fern has preferences rather than needs.
Comprehension question 2. Which utilities are not included?
Electricity and internet are not included.
How long is the lease?
12 months. The second apartment only offers 6 months.
And how much is the second one?
$480 a week.
So it's $40 cheaper.
Yes, but the train journey takes 35 minutes, and the station is a 10-minute walk away.
That could feel very long in the rain.
The distance doesn't change when it rains.
It still feels longer.
I suppose that is true.
Comprehension question 3. How long is the lease for the second apartment?
The lease is 6 months.
What is the second apartment like?
It has 2 bedrooms and a larger kitchen, but the living room is dark.
I see.
You say that as though the apartment has committed a crime.
A dark living room is serious.
I would save $40 a week.
And spend your evenings in a cave.
It has electric lights.
Artificial sunlight.
That phrase makes no sense.
Comprehension question 4. What advantage does the second apartment have inside?
It has 2 bedrooms and a larger kitchen.
One bedroom could become a reading room.
That is tempting.
What about pets?
The first apartment allows small pets with permission. The second allows no pets.
Mrs. Chen will be disappointed.
She has already sent me photos of 3 cats.
She moves quickly.
She even named one Mr. Pickles.
I support Mr. Pickles.
You haven't met him.
I don't need to.
Comprehension question 5. Which apartment may allow a small pet?
The first apartment may allow one with permission.
The application for the first apartment is more detailed.
What do they need?
Proof of employment, identification, 2 personal references, and a reference from my current landlord.
Who will provide the personal references?
My manager and Mrs. Chen.
Mrs. Chen will probably write 5 pages.
She has already offered to include photographs.
Of you?
Of the cafe.
Naturally.
Comprehension question 6. Who will I ask for personal references?
Diana will ask her manager and Mrs. Chen.
Applications must be submitted by Friday afternoon.
That doesn't give you much time.
There's another inspection tomorrow. so several people may apply.
Do you feel pressured?
A little. I don't want to rush, but good apartments can be rented quickly.
Comprehension question 7. When must applications be submitted?
They must be submitted by Friday afternoon.
Did anything need repairing?
The bedroom window was difficult to close, and one kitchen cupboard door was loose.
Did you tell the agent?
Yes. She said both would be repaired before the new tenant moved in.
You'll want that promise in writing.
Definitely. Verbal promises are easy to forget.
I once rented a place where the shower made a loud whistling sound.
Was it repaired?
No. So eventually, I whistled back.
Did that help?
Emotionally, yes.
Comprehension question 8. What 2 things need to be repaired?
The bedroom window and a kitchen cupboard door.
The first apartment also includes a secure storage area downstairs.
Useful for your suitcases and boxes of books.
Books I refuse to throw away.
Books are important.
The second apartment has no storage area, but it includes a washing machine.
Does the first apartment have one?
No, it has a shared laundry room.
Which would you prefer?
A private washing machine is convenient, but storage would keep the apartment less crowded.
Comprehension question 9. What does the second apartment include?
It includes a washing machine.
So, what have you decided?
I'm applying for the first apartment.
Even though it costs more?
Yes. It's brighter, closer to work, and better suited to my daily life.
And it may allow Mr. Pickles.
There is still no Mr. Pickles.
Not yet.
The second apartment is cheaper and larger, but the longer commute would become tiring.
Saving money matters, but time has value too.
Exactly. I can adjust my budget, but I can't create more hours in the day.
Comprehension question 10. Why does Diana choose the first apartment?
Because it is brighter, closer to work, and better suited to my daily life.
Are you submitting the application today?
Yes, after Mrs. Chen finishes my reference.
How long has she been writing?
20 minutes.
That is either a strong reference or the beginning of a novel.
With Mrs. Chen, it could be both.
Let's review 6 useful expressions for renting an apartment.
A bond is money paid at the beginning of a rental agreement. It may be returned when the tenant moves out.
Rent in advance means paying rent before the rental period begins.
Utilities are services such as electricity, water, gas, and internet.
A lease is a legal agreement, explaining how long someone may rent a property and under what conditions.
A reference is a statement from someone who can describe whether you are reliable.
And in writing means information is recorded instead of only spoken.
Now it's time for our regular speaking challenge.
Pause after each question and answer in complete sentences. There is no right or wrong answer. This is just about you and your opinion.
Question 1. What costs should you consider before renting an apartment?
Question 2. Would you prefer cheaper rent or a shorter commute?
Question 3. What documents might someone need for a rental application?
Question 4. What would make an apartment feel like the right home? Thank you, our listeners, for helping Diana and I compare the apartments. You might like to add in the comments which apartment you would have chosen out of the 2 and why.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to us compare the positives and negatives of each choice. If you would like more practical advice on everyday situations that we all encounter throughout life, please subscribe to our slow-spoken English channel for more natural conversations. In our next advanced episode of Renting an Apartment, We shall take you deeper into the world of renting.
Has Mrs. Chen finished the reference?
She has just asked how to spell exceptional.
That sounds promising. Cheers, everyone.
See you next time.